What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be unboxing and installing the AEROFABB V2 front splitter on my MK7 GTI. Let's do it. After breaking another lip on my MK7 GTI, I decided to do it the right way this time and order the AEROFABB V2 front splitter. The streets of Illinois are not really the best for lower cars, and I've probably broken 4 or 5 front lips already. I did a little research on all the GTI Facebook groups, and everybody was saying that the AEROFABB was the way to go. The way these guys from AEROFABB package their products is really impressive. Everything is so well organized, and I see why all these people leave all these good reviews about them. The quality of the front splitter is really good. In the past, I've purchased so many front lips from eBay, and my last one was from Maxton. They're not even close to the quality of AEROFABB. Now, let's go and remove that front bumper. And you should probably get one of these magnetic trays, they really help a lot. Then we have to jack up the car and remove some more screws. I got this thing on sale from Harbor Freight, and it really helps when you work under the car, trust me. Now we have to remove a few more screws and take out the engine cover so we can remove the bumper. You just gotta be very patient when you're removing the front bumper because you can easily break some of these plastic clips. Also, don't forget to unplug the fog lights. I'm gonna remove the old front lip and show you the difference between the Maxton one and the AEROFABB. When I was able to compare them side by side, you can definitely see that the AEROFABB one is made from much better materials and the Maxton one is made from very cheap plastic. The installation of the lip is not complicated at all. The way that AEROFABB did their installation guide makes everything very easy to understand. Everything is labeled and you just gotta follow step by step. Everything lines up perfectly. You gotta put screws on the 2 sides of the bumper and then you can start drilling the other holes. Another thing that makes this splitter very good is that it comes with another piece that sticks on the inside of the bumper and it holds everything very tight and it makes it very solid at high speeds. My lower grill was broken for a while, that's why I decided to just cut it because it's pain in the ass to replace. I think that looks a little better, and of course it's a race car so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now we have to put the bumper back on. And just make sure that there are not any screws left when you're done. And that's it. I'm really happy with how everything came out. I already installed the AEROFABB side splitters, so all I have to do now is install their diffusers so everything matches perfectly.